We're all familiar with these 1976 bicentennial quarters, but did you know they actually produced 1.6 billion of these coins? That's right, when they first came out, a lot of people started hoarding these coins away, thinking in the future they'd be worth a fortune. The reality is the coins in this video did sell for so much money. I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to be looking out for on your 1976 bicentennial quarter to see if it's actually worth a lot of money. Before we do that, it's very important to understand these bicentennial quarters and how they're produced. So the first coin you're going to have is the 1976p bicentennial quarter. You'll know if you have one of these coins because there is no mint mark on the coin. There were over 809 million of these coins minted. Then you have the 1976D Washington quarters. That D mint mark stands for the Denver Mint, and they minted over 860 million of these coins. Then you have the 1976S bicentennial quarter, which they produced over 7 million of these. So you can see that's a big drop in the number. Then you have the 1976S 40% silver bicentennial, which there were 11 million of these coins minted. So there are 4 different types of these bicentennial quarters that you need to be looking out for, and we're going to break them down in this video. Here we have a 1976D 25-cent clad bicentennial quarter graded by NGC, a mint state 68, and this coin sold for $6,462.50, and here's why. So when you're looking at this coin, you can see that there is a bit of what looks like dirt on the coin, but that's not actually the case. That's a little bit of toning. Essentially what toning is when the air will oxidize with the metals in the coin. Remember, this is a D mint mark standing for the Denver Mint. The highest achievable grade we can get in grading is 70, and this one's only 2 points away, and that's why it sold for this much money. I'm not going to spend a ton of time here, but this one was accidentally overstruck on a cent planchet. So this is a mint error. If you see this, do not throw it away. It's not something bad. It is a good thing. So this coin is what collectors call a double denomination error. It was graded by NGC, a proof 67, and it sold for $6,600. Wait, 90% of you that watch the videos are still not subscribed. So you better subscribe right now so we can keep the lights on. Wait, no, I was kidding. Here you have one that was accidentally struck on a washer. Again, pretty straightforward, not going to spend a ton of time, but this one little washer coin that sold for $9,600. This coin sold for $12,000. So this is a 1976S 25-cent bicentennial quarter, double struck on a dime planchet, graded by PCGS, a proof 67, and it sold for $12,000. Same thing here, but a different coin. So you can see this wasn't a one-off error. There's actually a good amount of these out there. This one was overstruck on a 1967 dime, and this one graded by NGC, a proof 67, sold for $15,000. Now here we go. This one sold for $19,200, and here's why. This is a 1976S 25-cent silver quarter graded by PCGS, a mint state 69, which is just a crazy grade for this coin. So you remember earlier I was talking about the 4 different types of quarters. Well, this one graded really highly, and it's a silver coin. A lot of the time, silver coins will bring more value than clad composition coins. It's important to know that if you have a coin like this, the chances of you getting an astronomically high grade is so very hard. So don't get your hopes up. Unless you know exactly what you're doing, it can be very challenging. I have a completely free ebook that goes over coin handling, grading, and values. All you got to do is click the link below. I'll send you a free ebook, but you don't have to do that. What you have to do is keep doing your homework and research to know what you should be looking out for on your bicentennial quarter to make it worth a lot of money. This last coin sold for $28,200. So the interesting thing about this one is that it was actually a $1 bicentennial dollar coin overstruck on a 1976 bicentennial quarter graded by NGC, a mint state 64. So if you ever come across a weird looking error like this one, you could be in for a good treat because this coin sold for $28,200. Did you know YouTube knows exactly what video you should be watching next? They have an algorithm that knows exactly what video would be best suited for you. And that video is on the screen right now. So go ahead and check that video out, and I'll see you in there.